Okay, this is some craziness that's going on this morning. Everybody got to eat for a couple hours. Now they're all romping around. Hey guys. The little tuxie girl is super feisty, always trying to start a wrestling match. Oh, fell in the water. This guy's starting to be a real sweetheart. And the little tabbies are coming out of their shells too. Nice. Water bowl. I'm gonna have to move that. That's like prime landing spot. Tuck it under a little more. I can still get to it. Look at them zipping around. Little 5-week-old nuggets of fluff. Almost. They should be able to make it in and out of the tub soon. They just have to figure it out. I put a little block in there for them so they can hop out. So there's more litter boxes in there once they figure that out. Oh, come on. So I have the door open for them, and 1 or 2 of them were out exploring earlier today. But they're mostly content where they feel comfortable right now. They've only been here, what, 20 hours? 18, not even. You're in your little box. Teething. Oh, don't pounce. Nope, you're gonna get pounced on. When you're a kitten, you don't even have to go anywhere to play. The play will come to you. Yeah. These sweet little guys, little brothers, hanging out in the box. So the paperwork said they were all 4 girls, but I checked them yesterday briefly, and I'm pretty sure that the black one and the tabby with more white is a boy, and that the tuxie and the all gray tabby is a girl. I need to verify that though. So we gotta come up with names for these little buggers. You just bite your brother on the butt? No mercy. Bite you on the butt. You having fun with that tennis ball? Isn't she just the feistiest little thing? She's so feisty.